Hi everyone, I am Rajesh Kumar. I am having close to 16 plus years of experience in Devops, SRE and DevSecOps. I have worked with more than 12 software organizations around the globe. I would like to introduce you all a Devops School's flagship certification program in Devops, SRE and DevSecOps. This program will get started in the weekends, so get enrolled. Please contact us on the phone number given on the screen, and in fact you can email us on the contact@devopsschool.com. Inventory. Understood? Are you getting it?
You mentioned, right?
Yeah. Now you have thousands of machines here,
File name can
and yeah,
be anything, not just
yeah.
inventory.
Copy this. Yeah. See, two machines will be deployed. Rajesh, 1, 2, 3. See, done. This is on. Now what I'll do, I'll change the index.html. This is the version 2 software. Okay. Next deployment I'm doing, and see, one command can deploy to hundreds of machines like this. See, and okay, you have to run this. Copy. So version 2 software I have to deploy and refresh. See, refresh. See, got it? All of you? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, two questions. The file name can be anything, right? Like you
Yeah,
mentioned in
yeah,
the beginning,
anything,
it can be
anything.
anything. And in that file name, what we are looking for specifically is an all configuration, right? That is everything.
All means all the machines of inventory. All this is a group name built in. But now I'll create my own, right? So how do I create? Web. I showed you all this.
No, no, I got this. My question is, so let's say you have just web and DB, right?
Yeah.
Now, if you mention all, will it pick up everything from web and DB?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay, okay,
All means all. That's what I'm saying. All
okay.
of
It's just
inventory.
all of it. Okay, got
This is the fake IP address. Okay. This is
it.
the web. Save it. So now what to do? Web only.
Okay. Okay. That's beautiful.
See, Rajesh, 1, 2, 3. And only two machine is a part of the web. This is the one and this is another. Now you will say you want to see that all. So see, all machines will be getting. All other machines fake IP address. So see that. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the way you do that. So now you saw that one activity you can do in hundreds of machines without any problem. But next problem I am having. So understand the problem. I'm just showing you and then understand the problem. Do you like this? Do you want to run like this? No, right?
No.
So you don't want to run like this. So what to do? So guys, that is where the playbook is coming into the picture. Okay, so what to do? I need some sample script for that. Ansible playbook. There's some noise coming from someone. Please mute yourself. Okay, so there's some playbook I need. So one simple playbook I need. Why? Because I don't want to type it YAML. It's a headache actually. This is the one simple playbook. I will clear it. I don't want to show you too many things. So these all are. See, I hope you remember that while explaining the playbook, recall your discussion. I said it's YAML file, and it has a multiple play, and each play we have a host and tasks. Host nothing but the group name, and task which is nothing but the module and its parameter. So here, guys, look at my screen. Host should be web, and here, what is this? Setting up web server
Of
name.
web server.
Yeah, right. Now here we should be having tasks. So tasks means this example is not full. I must be having some example. I just don't want to type it because I don't want you to type it as well. That's the reason. Because, oh my god, Ansible playbook, play example. So, this is the task. And clear this. Okay. Now, this is the one, this is the one, this is the one. And this all is not required now. Okay. So, now this is the playbook. One play. So, here this is the HTTPD. No, I'm hard coding actually. This is also HTTPD. So now remember that this option, just look at this one only, the one which I selected. The module name is yum, the name and state match from the top, correct? Are you comfortable? Hello?
Sorry, what was
Hello?
that? I missed that part. Or the last line.
I'm,
What did you say, right?
I'm writing a playbook for the each
Yeah,
tasks.
yeah,
So just the one selected one which you're comfortable with it.
yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So see here, no, look at this here. Okay, I'll just recall this. Here, see that, and then match this. Now copy. Look at
What
this
does
here.
this latest mean?
Latest means install the latest one, but you can put it up installed also. No problem.
Okay.
This is the copy and this is started. If you want to print something, you can print. This is not needed. Now we'll
So
say
that
Rajesh. Oh, yeah, tell
uh,
me.
the name is just a comment, is it? Is a single line just
It's not a
saying?
comment. There is a certain use, but right now we don't have to focus. So this is the basically this is YAML file, and this is a one element. This is a one list, one element, one element, one element,
Okay,
and
okay.
key and value, key
How
and
many
value, key
tasks?
and value.
So we have how many tasks?
Right now I have a
These are
three
four
task,
tasks.
right?
Three
Four
tasks.
task, yeah. Oh no, four task, correct. So
So
shopping,
that makes the playbook a task.
copy,
A task is the play.
firewall, the server. So what is the server name? Service name, firewall D,
Okay.
and stop. Done. Okay, now the coming back to the real point. Then you say, Rajesh, you just copy paste it, and now it's I can understand it, but how do I, define all these options? So actually, don't have to worry about it. Yes, I mean it. Guys, back to the same page. Do you remember this page? Let me show you just again. Do you remember this page, all of you?
Yeah.
And go to the bottom section of this page, guys. Look at this. Copy, paste it.
Oh, okay.
Just only you have to manage this tab. Space is a really headache. That's only you have to manage it. This is one. No, don't use tab. It's a wrong statement. Don't use tab in the YAML. Space only. So actually, the examples are given here. Just copy paste, give the right alignment to the as per the YAML specification, and done. See here, hell lot of example. This is people copy it directly from here. What do you want to install? See here, in this they are installing three things together.
Okay. So one question here, so the spaces matter, is it? So if we have the wrong spacing, it won't work, is it?
That is a real headache in Ansible. YAML specification you have to learn. That's the reason I said initially only you have to first little bit spend time on YAML, and if you spend time in YAML, then your Terraform training. I'm sorry, not Terraform. Helm training, Ansible training also will be done actually in this case. Okay, a specific, yeah, a space is very important in the YAML.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so now you people copy from here. Let me show you another page. I hope you remember this page. Look at this. Look at this. So that's the reason you don't need to look at any unofficial documentation. Official documentation is perfect. So I copy this. Now the question is, see that how much work we did. Vi, the file name can be anything .yaml. And guys, mind it here, this code will become only one line of code, and this remove everything, and here web is there, right? Yeah, so it's not required, and inventory is this one, and instead of module you have to specify hyphen playbook, ansible hyphen playbook, and the web dot
Sorry,
yaml, and this one. So
sorry,
this is the fun.
no module for service.
It's there, no? Here, this one.
Okay, okay, okay,
This is the started one, and this is the firewall one. Okay, guys.
okay,
So now, so here playbook hyphen I inventory, because group name was already there in the web.yaml here, and username root, right, and password hyphen k, which will prompt. B is not required. Done. So now you see that. Understand the very simple way. Thousands of machines, you can deploy thousands of tasks with these permissions. Are you understanding, all of you?
Yes. Yeah.
Hyphen playbook.
that's
Ansible
okay.
hyphen playbook. Okay. So guys, this is the one. And Rajesh 1, 2, 3. There is some problem. The problem is some YAML specification. This is the YAML issues. Okay. So I'll,
Spaces and all.
yeah. So here, this is one. Okay. So I'll just correct this here. YAML. Save it. Run it. Rajesh 1, 2, 3. This is again YAML issues. 1, 2, 3. I'm just checking that where is the problem. There's no problem. I see that. I want to read that error message one more time. So here it says line number 2, column number somewhere on top itself. Oh, 2 line is not 3 line is needed in YAML.
Present. But I
Yeah,
think there should be present. Is it the same thing as the installed?
yeah, done. Present and
Present.
install both are same. That's okay. Install, present, both are okay. Okay, present means it will check installation is there or not, and if not, then it will done. See that this is the Apache copy starting, stopping, done. So did you understand that how to write the playbook now, and how to create
Yes,
inventory, and one command will do the magic for everything? All of you?
yes,
Yeah.
Okay. Now guys, in you can use this playbook like this for your requirement, but you know what? There is one concept which is called role. So before understanding the role, you need to know many other stuff. For example, variables. Okay. You require the templates, then you require handlers, then you require variables done, template, handlers done, and so on. So these are the topics which you need to know. Though it's not very complicated topic, but I don't want to cover because you will get lost.
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.